Hey audio fans! Nothing just dropped its first over-the-ear headphones, the Headphone 1 with a sleek, transparent design and buttons that steal the show. Are these the coolest headphones of 2025? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this audio game changer. Nothing's Headphone 1, designed with British audio brand KEF, brings transparent style, AI-powered features, and a tactile button setup. Pre-orders start July 4th in the US, UK, and beyond. Want to know why these headphones are buzzing? Keep watching. Nothing's signature see-through look makes the Headphone 1 a visual stunner. Although they're a bit bulky, what sets them apart? Physical buttons. Ditch touch sensors for a satisfying clicky volume roller that also plays, pauses, or toggles noise cancelling. Plus, a dedicated button triggers your AI assistant or ChatGPT via the Nothing X app. It's tech you can feel. These headphones pack adaptive noise cancelling, transparent mode, and immersive spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for a 3D listening experience. Adaptive bass enhancement shines across genres, delivering rich sound. They're comfy for long sessions, although they might slip during chores. With up to 80 hours of battery life, 35 with noise cancelling, and fast charging, they're built to last. Nothing's Headphone 1 blends style, innovation, and premium audio to rival big names like Sony and Bose. The transparent design, tactile controls, and AI integration make them a fresh take on over-the-ear headphones. Paired with KEF's audio expertise, they're a bold entry into 2025's audio scene. Are these your next headphones? Pre-orders for the Headphone 1 kick off July 4th, 2025 in the US, UK, and more. Whether you're hyped for the clicky buttons or that 80-hour battery, these headphones are a must-check. What's your favorite feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Nothing's Headphone 1 debut. Are you obsessed with the transparent look or those tactile buttons? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.